Hi everyone, this is Shivangi. Today I am here to teach you the difference between can and could. Where do we need to use can? Where do we need to use could? This is what we are going to discuss in today's class. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it so that you can keep on watching these sort of videos which will help you a lot to learn English. So quickly let's move on. First we'll discuss by one. First we'll discuss about can. Now, as you can see on your screen that we use can for various purposes. The first is this is used for ability. Next is it is also used for permission. And then it is also used for making informal request. And it is also used for possibilities. Now we are going to discuss all the purposes or the various reasons that we like with which we make sentences in detail. Let's move on to the another slide. Yes, first we'll discuss that what is the meaning of can and how it is used for ability. Can in Hindi is called sakta. It shows anybody's ability. Ability means anybody's quality. If suppose I am using can, I have to use first form of verb. Can is a modal verb which takes first form of verb. The first example that you can see is I can speak Hindi. It means मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. If I talk about someone else, next example is he can swim. And then is Jessica can sing a song. It means Jessica has a quality of singing and she can sing a song. This is how we can use can for ability. Next is can is also used for permission. Like suppose if I want to ask you a question, then I can ask by writing it down or using can I ask you a question? Can we go home now? And even it is used for giving permission, like you can go home now. आप अब घर जा सकते हो. This is how it is used for making permissions. Next is can, as I told you earlier, it is also used for making request, but it is used for request in informal way. Informal way is like, let's suppose you're talking to your friend or you are talking to your any of your junior. You can say, can I help you? Can I borrow your pen? For small request from a person who is junior to you, who is your friend, any child, you can use can simply. Then can is also used for possibility for general statements. Like if I say the things which often happens means ऐसी चीजें जो अक्सर होती हैं. I mean, like if I say the first example that you can see is it can be very cold here in winter. If I talk about Canada or any other country where there is more winter and where there is more cold in winters, then we can take that name by saying it's a general statement. It can be very cold here in winters. Now the next example you can see is you can easily get lost in the city. Obviously, if I talk about metro cities and if the person is from small town, there are chances that he may get lost. So that's how I have made sentence here is in present. If I'm making general statement, I can say this sentence by using can. You can easily get lost in the city. Now, this is what about can. I hope you you got cleared with where do you need to use can. Now we'll talk about could. Could is also used for various purposes. It is used for ability as can is also used for ability, but the difference is could is a second form of can, so it is used for past ability, the person's quality that was there in the past. Here we can talk about our past days, or we can talk about any person who is no more, the quality of that very person who is no more, so we can use could. Next is it is also used for possibility in past. So first 2 points that you can see here, we are using could for past, means sakta tha. But could is also used for present, like for request, for permissions, for suggestions. It is used, and here it works in present. How it is used, we'll come to know. Keep watching this video, you will come to know each and everything in clear manner. Let's talk about the first point. So, as I told you that could is a second form of can. Obviously, when I taught you tenses, I told you that whenever we need to talk about past, we usually use second form of verb. So here also, if I talk about some of the ability of mine or someone else, I'll be using could. The first example is I could run fast when I was young. Obviously, in our young age, we all can run so fast. But when we grow up, when we, age, then obviously in that moment it becomes difficult to run so fast. So I have said you that I could run fast when I was young. And then I'm talking about a person who is no more. She could speak several languages. If suppose I am referring to any person who is no more, I can speak this thing by saying that कि वो बहुत सारी languages बोल सकती थी. I mean, this is what about the quality of the person, ability of the person. Now, could is also used for possibility that was there in the past. Here also we are assuming could as a second form. That is why we are using could here for past possibility. He could speak truth, but he did not. The meaning of the sentence is वो बोल सकता था सच, but उसने बोला नहीं. So that's why here we are using could plus first form. Then is we could easily get lost. You could easily get lost in this city. It means it is used. Let's suppose if I am talking to any person and he is from small town, he visited to my city, I am just telling him you could call me, I could come to pick you. So in the same way, because it's a big city, you could easily get lost in the city. So that's why I have used कि आप हो सकते थे, because obviously it's a big city, so it may possible you could easily get lost. Here also I have used could for describing possibility in the past. Next, could for present here. As I told you that could, why do we require to use could? Because I have already told you that we usually use can for making request or permission. Why? What is the requirement to use could? Because this is what we can say with can also. Now, let me tell you, could is more polite than can. That is a major reason that we people use could instead of can. And you must have seen that many of the Britishers, they usually use could for making any sort of request or for permission. Even in India also, there are certain places where we have to use could. So this is what I have written as an example. Could you please help me? Obviously, if we are in the huge requirement of urgent requirement of help, so we will use could. And wherever you will be using could, we usually use please along. Next example you can see is could I go on picnic with my friends? Obviously, this is something like obviously every child has to take permission whenever they need to go to picnic with their friends. So you have to be very polite while asking or while taking permission from your elders, from your parents. So it is often suggested to use could in that situation. The third example is could you please allow me to join dance classes? See, in many situations, our parents are not in the favor of joining certain things. So here also we are making a request to our elders so that they can allow us. So that's why I have used could, and you can see that when I use could, I have also used please along. So the situation is in can also, in could also, the form of verb remained first. I have used first form of verb in both the places. So why I used could, now I think it's clear to you that because could is more polite than can, that's why I have used could for making more politer situations for request. Next, could is used for suggestion. It is rarely used. Usually we make suggestions with should, but many of the times we use could also for making or putting any suggestion. Next, like example you can see is we could meet on this Sunday and we could eat out tonight. This is a suggestion which you are giving to your friend for present or future purposes. Now, I would say this is what about can and could. I hope this is very much clear to you. In case if you have any doubt, you can write that in comment section and I'll surely reply you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And do let me know if you feel any difficulty while using them so that we can sort that out. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching and happy learning.